All right, question 38, 4-pointer. The periodic graph below can be represented by the trigonometric equation y equals a cosine bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. You have to state the values of a, b, and c and then write the equation. Okay, so graphically speaking, we did this on the last day. Okay, remember C means that the graph got shifted up, and that's where the new midline is. So that's the first one you want to find. And if you can see, the high is 4 and the low is -2. The midline would be the halfway mark between the high and the low. And between that would be actually at 1. So that is actually the C value. Now, if you pick the correct C value, the distance up and down in the humps here should be the same, and that's actually the amplitude. Okay, so the amplitude is the distance up and down from that middle line. And let's see, this is 1, 2, 3 up, and this is 1, 2, 3 down. So they are the same, so I did pick the correct midline. So A is the amplitude, and it equals 3. All right, and then the B. The B stands for frequency. And the frequency is the number of cycles in a range of 2 pi. Okay, so from here to here is a distance of pi. Actually, this is in my way. Let me make sure. Yep, that's a distance of pi. So I can see 1 cycle in pi. So what I want to do, it's right here. I need frequency, and frequency means how many cycles in 2 pi. So if it's 1 cycle in pi, that means there'll be 2 cycle in 2 pi's. So that means my frequency is going to equal 2. So there is my A, B, and C numbers. So make sure it's clear. So A is 3, B is 2, and C is 1. And now I can just write my equation with it filled in. Y equals, now 3 for A. Be careful, this is a cosine graph. It does go like that. If the graph were upside down, you'd have to put a negative in front of the 3. But it is positive. Cosine, it's 2x for the BX plus 1 for the C. And those would be your answers.